Hello, this is Sean Mullen from Now Lifestyle. I'm going to be showing you when you log into your office for the first time, or if it's been a while, you're logging back in and you haven't done the first three steps. I'm going to show you how easy this business is, how easily duplicatable this business is, and show you the exact three steps to follow in order for you to start your business going. And you do this on your own within 60 minutes. Okay. So what I do, I'm going to go log in. I'm going to share my screen. And this is the nowlifestyle.com. And what you're going to do is, let me take this down. Too many things up here. Okay. You got to log in. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to, don't forget, the Now Lifestyle Convention tickets are still available. So you can grab them or look at the event page. That's a little off topic, but when you go to Now Lifestyle, on your dashboard, as soon as you log in, you're going to see this. It basically says it all. Watch this video first for your success. So you let it play.
Hey folks, Joel Terry here now. You gotta watch this video first before you do anything else. Three things I want to point out. Get a hold of us.
Okay. Just watch the video. It's 3 minutes and 33 seconds long. It's a very brief video, but it's very important. Okay.
Watch this video first.
Okay. So what you're gonna have to do is this. See, Now Lifestyle is a health and wellness business, but it's backed by a top technology-proven company called GVO, which the CEO Joe Turian owns both of them. Okay, but they run like a hybrid. They run together for online and offline business, which makes it the only hybrid business, network marketing business. So you're in a great place. So what I want you to do is maybe at a later time, once you've done the three steps, you can go back and you can check out the fitness portion of it, the health and wellness. I'll do another video to go through that and how to make sure you pretty much get through everything and know what basically to do. So you're going to click on this. You can click on that, or you can click on this here. This here takes you to both. All right. That's the business section. This is the first three steps. How to start earning quickly. This is a 4 minute, just over 4 minute video. Please watch all these videos. They're very brief, and they'll help you on your way. Okay. So you just go through that video. It's only 4 minutes long.
Hey there, folks.
But give you a lot of information.
I'm joining NowLifestyle.com.
Okay.
Welcome to our corporate headquarters.
So you watch the video. Then once you've done that, you go through step 2, which is setting up your LCS, which is basically your lead capture system, which is here. This is the LCS, the lead capture system. Okay, with all your campaigns. Basically, your opt-ins or subscribers will come into this campaign, and I'm trying to get a little ahead of myself here, but this is part of step 2. Okay, watch this video with Dave Weber, and it'll show you exactly how to go through the steps. So just under 5 minutes long. But these videos ensure you do everything. It's duplicatable, so if you follow the steps correctly, that you can create a maximum success with your business. So what with the lead capture system? Okay. Watch that video. Okay, so basically he was going to go through the support step right here, which is click, put your information on here, update. It pretty much builds, it's got videos here on how to find your Facebook profile and a Skype username. Okay, you don't have one already. So once you've done that, what happens is once you fill out those details, it actually creates your follow-up emails in some of the campaigns. Okay, especially the coach funnel campaign we have right now. Okay, it actually creates everything for you. So that follows through to step number 3. Once you've done all that, you fill out the details, you click update. That means your follow-up emails are automated and done. Okay. Now, one quick note, BJ Weber points this out. You need to change some of it, but always leave the. I'll give you an example. Always leave. Follow up. Always leave the markings on here. Whenever you see this with a percentage sign, 2 of them on either side, just don't just leave them alone. You have some of them in here. I actually, what he'll suggest to you is you change 20 to 30% of the email so that you create it as your own. So if someone whoever comes into your business and they see you and got a picture of you, they know you're a real person. And this way, you can create a know, like, and trust you attitude. So create it on your own little flair on it, but make sure you leave the main things in there that you see. Why does it come up here? Okay, I think okay, what I did, I went in there just and changed, like this here, affiliate name, first name. These things here you can leave in place. Okay, make sure you don't touch that. That helps create the follow-up email. Now, going off the topic there, but if you follow through the video, it will actually show you step by step what to do there. And the third step, you see 6 here, but these are the main 3 to get your business running. Then you can do the other 3. The 6th one is optional. Free traffic sources. Gives you an idea. You can either. That's what leads me to step 3, traffic. What you have to realize is, as a business, a brick and mortar business, online business, you need traffic. You need customers. You need people to come into your business, and you need to do advertising. It will save you a lot of time. Now, that step 6 has resources, free traffic resources, where you can use that. You can use the free methods, but it's going to cost you a lot of time, a lot of consistency and effort to get similar results as if you would advertise or pay for traffic. Now, I don't know what your budget is, but I do recommend you create a budget of any size. It all depends. It's all on you. You create a budget where you can consistently get traffic to your business through your affiliate link, which will go into that funnel, which that coach funnel I showed you, into the campaign. We have all the capture pages done for you. All you gotta do is put your ID at the end of them. It actually creates it. I'll do that in another video and show you exactly how to create your promo link and to promote it. So you either can do free traffic or you can do paid traffic. Either you got time or you have the money, or you do a little bit of both. It's all on you. It's your business. But to grow it the quickest is with paid traffic. Now, we do have one of the top 10 leaders, Gregory, who does solely free traffic, but has built that over time. He's built it to a degree where he creates magnificent free traffic. You don't pay for any traffic. but he's got it to a fine tooth, like he's really turned in on it. So that takes a lot of time, a lot of efforts. But it's up to you. It's your business. I'm only recommending to do the quick way, or you want to do the long way if you have a lot of time. Most of us don't have time. I've tried the free method. It takes a lot of effort, a lot of consistency on a daily basis, and a lot of know-how, okay, and experience. So as I talk about that, the third step is going to be get traffic and sales. There's one more video here that I need you to watch. We at Now Lifestyle have the privilege to be able to have a paid sources where Drew and his team has done all the advertising for us. They've got over 20 plus years of experience in advertising online, and they've honed it down, and they do all the advertising for us. So you can get Facebook, high quality Facebook leads, or you can get our guaranteed paid signups. Those signups go straight into your whole tank as paid members. Usually they come in at the dollar trial, and then later upgrade some of them. Now, not all of them will upgrade, but you're guaranteed to get a paid sign up. It all depends on your budget. So I would recommend you watch this video. It's very informative, and it's very necessary that you watch all the videos in the 3 steps. Okay, it's all up to you. I can't force you. I can only show you the way and show you the vehicle, the vessel to get you there. Okay. I get paid leads. I get guaranteed paid signups, and I also get solo ads. If you're interested, let me know, and I'll show you, and I'll give you a few of the persons that we use, especially here at the Six Figure Fitness team. We have a guy that we use that is very reliable, very user friendly, and it's helped us out a lot. And it comes at it's pretty reasonable for what you get. Okay, so that's it. That's all I got. You just watch the videos. Paid, you get guaranteed paid signups. You click on that, it'll take you to paid signups. There'll be another video that talks about the guaranteed paid signups. These videos, okay. Some anybody saying I gotta watch all these videos. Yes, you do. These videos, yes. The videos I'm showing you, yes. I mean, how important to the business are you? Are you serious about your business, or is it just a hobby? For me, I consider it as a serious business. I do this business part-time, right? While I have a full-time job. The job supplies me with a budget that I can go out and get paid traffic, solo ad traffic, paid leads, and guaranteed paid signups. So you can build your team, build the downline, deep, infinity, build it down as far as you can see, as far as you want it to. So it's up to you. I'm showing you the vessel. I'm showing you the 3 easy steps to follow. All the others are simple videos. I mean, these videos are formative. They help you learn, right? So all you can do is show you the way, teach you the way, and show you what you need to do. All right? The rest is up to you. Any questions, feel free to let me know. I'll be happy to help you. I'm here at any time. If you're on my team, you have my phone number. You can call me, I suggest you text me. I am in Bermuda, so unless you want to pay extra in your phone bill, I don't mind calling you. Just let me know. I'll call you back. I don't mind. I'm here to help you. It's all about you, not about me, about you, helping you succeed. Okay? So feel free to let me know. Any of you come across this video and you like what you see and you're not yet a member, feel free to sign up. You can sign up for free. Have a look at the site, and you can upgrade later, or you can look at it and contact me back. And you probably, unless you don't get it, I can give it to you. You can get the dollar trial to try it out for a full week and get access to everything. So that's Sean Mullen for now. You guys have an awesome, great, positive day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.